Poor sleep isn't just frustrating. It affects your energy, focus, and overall health. At Can Sleep Center, we take a personalized approach to find the root cause of your sleep disorder. Our custom oral appliance is molded to fit your mouth perfectly. A simple, non-invasive solution to help you breathe better and sleep deeper. No CPAP, no surgery. Wake up a better you. Visit cansleepcenter.com and schedule your consultation today.